How to restore my eyes only photos on Snapchat. Open your Snapchat and tap on your avatar at the top of your screen and head to settings. Scroll down and tap on I need help. In the search bar, you have to go ahead and search for Lost My Snap Saved in My Eyes Only. And then you have to tap on the suggested article. So right here, you have to go ahead and tap on this cross icon and then tap on this article didn't answer my problem. And if there is no contact us bubble, tap on the 3-line icon and tap on contact us, which is at the end. From here, tap on I need help with the Snapchat feature and again scroll down and then tap on memories. Here, tap on yes and again tap on using my eyes only option and wait for it to load. Here, again scroll down and again you have to tap on yes. Now you have to fill your username, email address that is linked to your Snapchat. Here, I'm filling it with you. Then in this description box, you have to mention your problem. For an example, I'm writing here, I lost my snap saved to my eyes only and I need help to recover it and please help. You can basically copy the same thing or you can even be creative with it. And once you do that, just tap on submit and after you are verified by the security of Snapchat, your request will be sent and after a while or a couple of days, Snapchat will get back to you with a solution. Make sure to give it a try and thank you so much for watching.